Welcome to Tech Solution. EDUP Wi-Fi extender setup. Open your computer or laptop. Click your network icon on your computer or go to Wi-Fi setting of your smart device. Select the SSID EDUP to point for GXT or EDUP 5.8 GXT to join the network of the Wi-Fi extender. Open a web browser of your choice. Type edup.cc or 192.168.20.1 in the address bar. Next, a login screen appears. Enter your default login credentials. Login setting page with password admin. You will be logged in to EDUP Wi-Fi extender interface. Select to point for GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal. The nearby Wi-Fi signal will be displayed in the list if you click for refresh to 4G or refresh 5, 8G. Please select the Wi-Fi signal you want to booster and input the password and click OK. The extender automatically sets the SSID's name and password to the same name and password as the router. Of course, you can also set up the SSID name and password different from the router. Thanks for watching.